In my other videos, I've shown you how I used various types of hoops to make low tunnels to cover plants for winter protection, cold, freeze protection, frost protection. And this is probably my favorite material because it's sturdy. It's plastic coated metal and strong and does not break. And the reason I like it the most is that you can have two configuration, or actually three. Here is short and wide. Here is narrow and high. This is narrow and short, and this is wide and high. And actually, if I remove this part here and remove this part here, now I have a fourth configuration. So I have two configuration with the short, narrow and wide, and I have the same configuration by adding an extension and making them higher. For my use, for my plants growing leafy greens over the winter, the short configuration is the best. So depending on what you are growing, you can go with the narrow or with the wide. And I also like it because it's so easy to switch. Like right here, if you switch one side and you switch the other side, it doesn't snap, it doesn't come off, and now we went from narrow and high to wide and short. Very easy, very quick. So with that, try it. Of course, the material that goes with it is either plastic or this Agribon material, which is a matted row cover material. It looks like felt paper. It can tear if you're not careful, but it will last for many years if you don't rip it or animal run over it or whatever. Okay, we'll build it together and we'll put it on some beds and we'll do a follow-up video.